today's class we will find how to find the resultant force of a given force system. Okay, here in this system means in this place some forces are acting 10 newtons, 15 newtons, 20 newtons. All are acting at the same point. Okay, our line of action of all the forces is at the same point, that is A. So we can call this system is a concurrent force system. Okay, for solving this, first we have to draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis. In engineering mechanics of solving this type of problems, we have to take in the graph so that it is easy to do step by step for finding the resultant. Now I am taking this angle is 20 as it is. First force is 10 newtons. Okay, so here I am writing 10 newtons. How much angle it is making with horizontal? 20 degrees. Okay, 20. Now here always remember whatever forces are given, take angle with the horizontal only. Okay, and next force is 15 Newton force. How much angle it is acting with horizontal? Okay, so it is 20. So this angle I am telling, total angle with the horizontal. This is 20 already given, plus 30, 50 degrees. So mark here, total angle is 50 degrees. Here I am writing 50 degrees. Now next force is 20 newtons. I am marking here 20 newtons. Now with horizontal, how much angle it is making? This angle, total angle. Okay, this is 20, 30 plus 10. So 20 plus 30 plus 10. How much it is? Total sum 60. Okay, 60 degrees. Now 20 Newton is acting 60 degrees with the horizontal. Now what I am doing is, I do here, the arrows are important for marking the angles. It is how much? 60 degrees. Okay, one is 20, one is 50, and the another one is 60. Now here we have to find the resultant. For resultant force, for finding resultant, we have to take horizontal components and vertical components, square term with root. Got it? Why means, according to the triangular law in the concurrent force system, one of the side of the triangle is horizontal component, vertical component is sigma FV. This resultant, triangle third side, that is this side will give the resultant. Okay, so in right angle triangle, r square is equal to fh sigma fh square plus sigma fv square. R is equal to root of these two values. Here what we have to find? For finding the resultant, we have to find out all horizontal components and we have to find all vertical components. Okay, here for inclined forces, always remember there are two components. One is horizontal component, one is vertical component. Now here I will redraw the diagram of the same type here. So in it I will mark all horizontal components and the vertical components. For this diagram, here for understanding, just I will take separately forces. 10 Newton force I am taking. 10 Newton force. How much angle it is making? 20 degrees. For finding horizontal component and vertical component, just do the right angle triangle. Okay, this force is here I am taking 10 newtons. This is the horizontal component, this is the vertical component. So for horizontal component in the right angle triangle, we can apply cos 20 is equal to this horizontal component fh1, let us take, vertical component is fv1. Cos 20 is equal to fh1 by 10. So fh1 by 10. So from this we want fh1. fh1 is equal to 10 cos 20. Okay, so similarly we can write this value here, 10 cos 20. The direction is like this. Why the direction is like this means it is in the first coordinate, and then we need to find fv1. We can take sine 20 is equal to fv1 by 10. So fv1 we need to find 10 sine 20. Okay, now here write down this value, fv1 is 10 sine 20. So why I told initially we had to take always angle with horizontal means always remember this component will come f cos, yeah, whatever value is given, f cos this angle. Okay, here vertical component is f sine of this angle. So in vertical component sine will come, in horizontal component cos will come. So that for other two components, instead of doing this diagram, we can directly write here. Okay, so first let us take this, all forces are in the first quadrant. So horizontal component direction is like this, vertical component is like this. These are positive. Okay, so because x and y value in the first q or in the graph is positive. Now first fh1 is acting 10 cos 20, here write down 10 cos 20. F v1 is acting like this, here we are taking on the y axis 10 sin 20. Okay, for the first force. For the second force 15 newtons, how much angle it is making? 50 degrees. Instead of doing all the process, we can tell horizontal component is in this direction. How much it is? 15 cos 50. Okay, so here 10 cos 20 like that, 15 cos 50. I told initially for horizontal cos will come, for vertical sine will come. What is the vertical component of this? 15 sine 50. It is upward. For 20 degrees, how much angle it is making? 60 degrees. What is the horizontal component? Cos will come 20 cos 60. So it is in this direction. 20 cos 60. What is the vertical component? Sine will come 20 sine 60. Okay, so these three are the horizontal components, these three are the vertical component. Important thing is we have to consider all angles with horizontal. For horizontal component we have to take cos, for vertical component we have to take sine. It is the main important thing for solving these problems. Now at A point all this acting, what we have to do next process? So for finding resultant we have to take sum of all horizontal forces and sum of all vertical forces. Okay, so next step is we have to find the sigma fh. Sigma fh is equal to, first this side forces I am taking positive. Okay, because all horizontal components are in positive direction. First force is 10 cos 20 plus next force is 15 cos 50 plus 20 cos 60. Okay, now next is we have to calculate sigma fe. What are the vertical components? 10 sin 20, upward also I am taking positive. Okay, vertical components 10 sin 20, next force is 15 sin 50 plus 20 sin 60. I got sigma fh is this value, units are newtons, and sigma fe is like this. Now we need to find the resultant. Now how to find the resultant? R is equal to, why we are taking the root of means it is right angle triangle, horizontal is in this direction, vertical is in this direction. Resultant will give by using this formula, root of sigma fh whole square 29.03 whole square plus sigma fe is 32.23 whole square. Got the resultant is 43.37 newtons. Now here we have to find the direction of the resultant also. Let us take, it is making phi angle with the horizontal. Now how to find the tan phi angle? By using tan we can find. So tan phi is equal to, what is the formula for this? Sigma fe by sigma fh. What is sigma fe value? 32.23 divided by sigma fh is 29.03. We need to find phi. Phi is equal to tan inverse of whatever value is coming, that value. Now phi is equal to this value 47.98. Now here resultant is 43.37. Resultant is equal to 43.37 newtons. The angle is, we are taking 47.98. Okay, 98 degrees. Meaning is the resultant is acting with the horizontal this angle. Okay, This is the process of doing the resultant in the given concurrent force system.